Hey guys, today we're gonna make a simple, elegant, isometric, and 3D looking logo using Adobe Illustrator. So if you are into those kind of stuff, you are in the right place. So without further ado, let's just right into it, shall we? Okay, all right. So we are in the very first page of the Adobe Illustrator. So we're gonna start creating. So first we just click here, create new. So I'm gonna choose A4, then we get the name of the file. It's like a 3D looking logo. Yeah, that's what we are creating. And other than that, you just put everything default. Yeah, that's fine. Create. Okay, so the idea of what we are going to do right here is that we are going to create the logo that represent the three letters, and like for the tutorial says I'm gonna use CMC, C for China, and M for Malaysia, and another C for China, CMC. So when you build it, it's like isometrics that include all these grid lines. Then when finished, then it's gonna be like a tubes, right? So we will see. So first thing, we're gonna create a tube comprised of several grid lines. So this is the first step. We're gonna create a tube that has many grid lines. Then after that, we have the grid lines and we have the tubes, then we're gonna move to the coloring parts like gradient and all these stuff. So let's just create some grid lines. For the lines, we just come here, lines 2 is right here. So drag it out. So make sure you press shift key, otherwise if you don't press shift key, it will move here and there. So to constrain, make sure we just click shift keys and release. So now we're gonna duplicate. To do that, then alt key, and right here drag it out, and then you can press shift key as well to constrain the movement. Maybe around about 10 is fine. Yeah, there it is. So we're gonna create another several lines right here. So to do that, then Control D, 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 until right here. I think that's fine. Okay, so now we have the lines, so-called grid lines. Okay, so we're gonna select all to do that. Control A. Then we just group in. Okay, this is a group that's comprised of several vertical lines. So the next step, we're gonna rotate or enter. So we're gonna put in the degree. I'm gonna put in a 60 degree, 60 degree, right? Then you don't click OK because we're gonna copy, right? So copy. Okay, we have another lines, so like a diamond, right? So we need some more grid lines to form the tube shape. Yeah, so that's the end. So just click R again, then enter. Same thing, we're gonna create 60 degree and copy. Okay, then Control R to select R, a little bit bigger. So now we have our needed grid lines right here. So now we're gonna form the tube shape that includes three letters. Right, just now I mentioned there are three letters gonna be CMC, China, Malaysia, and Myanmar. So you're gonna start creating, outlining the CMC. Alright, so to do that, the tool right here is called Shape Builder tool, or we can just simply click Shift M. Okay, I'm gonna click Shift M, so we can just start creating CMC. I'm gonna create C first. C. I'm gonna create C one. I see this is 1 square. I'm gonna create another. Okay, 1 square right here, 2 square, and 3 square for bike. And C 2 square, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3 square, 4 square, 5. Okay, we got C. Then this is C. Then we're gonna create another C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So 5 square is come here, 5 square here. So now we got C and C, and then top there we're gonna create M. Alright. So just drag it out. Just drag it out. Continue here. Here. Okay. So now we have our C, our M, and C. So yeah, so next step we need to delete out unnecessary lines. So which gonna be all these lines. Yeah. So delete out. Right. These lines are not needed. Yeah. So we delete out. Then right here the same thing. Delete out everything. Yep. So okay. So right here we need to ungroup it. Yeah. So select ungroup. Okay. Select. Okay, we can select here 1M. This one we can select. This one we can select. Okay, we can select right here. We can select everything. I think this one. Yeah, we still need to ungroup. Yeah. Hey, select again. Yeah. Individually we can select right here. Okay. So we're gonna separate out this chunk from the background grid line. So to do that, we need to select first. Okay, this is then you just press shift key, select. So these are needed. These are needed. Yeah, this one, this one. Okay, I think I have selected whatever we needed. So we're gonna duplicate out. Let's say separate out. Okay. So to do that, first Alt key, then drag it out. I think it seems okay. Yeah, that's fine. So we're gonna again. Okay. So this is the only thing we need. See, this tube. This is the only thing we are looking for. We are creating. Other than that, all these lines, grid line is no longer needed. So we just simply delete it out, select all and delete. Okay, so this one need to come in right here. So just wanna make sure it's center lines right here, center. Okay, so I think we just finished these first parts, creating the tube that includes the 3-letter CMC. So the next part, the second part of this tutorial is all about gradients. All right, so the coloring is not simple. Coloring is some sort of gradient. So this gradient, whatever you like the color, you can do whatever you want it. So okay, let's just do it. Okay, so alright, then we're gonna choose one by one. Alright, so first thing we need to yeah, C. Okay, why don't we just start with C? Okay, we're gonna create gradient. Gradient to do to the gradient simply right here. Okay, this is the one. Okay, now we only have like two variant, right? Black and white. So that's not what we want. So we're gonna do, we just need to add in, right? So I'm gonna add in maybe right here, then give some color. What color we want it? Green. all costs. Yep. All right. So so damn good. Yep. So another one, I'm gonna create another one right, maybe right here. Okay. So or we gonna give maybe yellow. Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. So another one, maybe right here. This is white. We don't create anymore. I can put right here. Okay. Alright, I think that's fine for now. Later we can adjust it, right? Yep. There we go. Nice, isn't it? Yeah, things fine. Okay. Yeah. B. So we don't need this straight line already. So we get rid of this straight line. Then we finish this C, and then we can be another C. Create the inverse 6. Okay. This one, choose this some fine. Right here. Some coloring. This is total flats. Right. See. Okay, I'll make a straight line. Get off the straight line. Yeah. For now it's okay. Then we move to our M. To M. So simply we gonna this one. Yep. This is it. Yep. Here. Yeah. This guy. That's fine. I can adjust this one as well. To this line to make it in line. I think somewhere around here. That's just too much. Yeah. Okay. Yep. Fine. Yeah, I think that's fine. I think maybe I need some right here. Should I put right here? Should I put right here? Maybe some coloring. Thing. Okay, I think I put some just white. This one, this color. Yeah, fine. Good. Yeah, then our inside part. So yeah, I think that's nicer. That's nicer. I think I'm gonna reverse it this gradient. This one as well. Gonna reverse this. Okay. I think that look nicer. Yeah, I think we call it a day. Yeah, yeah, I think that will do for this tutorial. Okay, thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.